Hello, this is Altima 2010 customer complaint. No crank, no start, no ignition. This is the key fob. This is the key fob. No anything. The key light is on. When press, nothing coming. Let's diagnose the car and see where is the problem. Body, BCM. This is the code. We have this code 26 B2607 and B2609. First we check all the fuses and see where is the problem. Okay. This fuses, I check whole fuse. All the fuses is good, BCM fuse. Now we check the steering lock. Steering lock is working or not working. This is the key slot. Okay, no anything. The key light is flashing. What is this? I open this panel, remove, and this is a steering lock actuator. When I hit the actuator, same this like the ignition switch is on, it is okay. Problem in this steering lock actuator. This is the Altima 2011, 2008 to 2011 common failure. This is the steering lock. I check electric in this. Electric is okay, everything is okay. Then I hit the steering lock motor in this light. The ignition switch is on, everything is okay. Now I open the steering lock inside. Told the customer what he say, what to change, he want to change or repair. Okay, stay with me. I open the steering actuator. This is the steering lock ECU. With the help of these two bolts I open. This is the bolt. one is here, and one here from this side with the help of this, the help of this and this. Okay. I open this. This is a rabbit bag, very difficult to open. This is rabbit. Okay. Now I open the electronics. This is 91 2-bolt. This is a motor. This is steering lock motor. Okay. Let's start it. Thumb shoulder, tight shoulder. This is the motor, electric. I disconnect from here and cancel the system of this motor. In this motor, I cancel electric from him. Press this button, then the lock is working. In this light. Start this motor. Right. Everything back. Insert the bolt and fix it there. Okay. Now I will check it is working or not. I fix and the car is running. Make sure this repair emergency repair, not repair for a long time. This is for emergency repair. Okay, everything is work. Okay, thank you for watching.